Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Damien and this is Never Enough Boating. We're going to be taking you out to the boat show today and show you what it's all about. Wow.
It's not a new colour, it's the shadow.
I'm sure does, yeah. Pretty much with fishing anywhere. The most important thing is finding areas that make fish. You've got to have, pretty much all like that. We want to have dinner time, we want to have something ready, something easy. And so, it's not good fishing. The most important thing is to make fish. Using all the equipment, maybe loads of well, I can tell you now, there's a last couple, we have all this equipment. So all the latest
Nice boat, too. Yeah.
Usually when I'm working with the structure, what I do is hit the water. And I just sort of let it, as soon as it hits the water, this water
I haven't seen it for ages and I can't remember what it's called. He does a good job on the boat, doesn't he?
Yeah. It's a heavy boat, that one.
So it can carry 3,850 kilos.
Yeah.
4.5 tons.
Hey, look.
Some mangroves, an oyster rack, and I believe there might be some ribbon there on the top of the tide feed. Might be that nice and close there, drop it down nice and slow, and just work it away from that snag or strut.
I'm sure they still have spares for the windows.
Gambia.
A 255 deck and putting the first skin coat on it.
So obviously they're the four main components that come out of lamination, Tom, but what I think makes our boats so incredibly special is the process.
So our builds all composite, there's no timber or any old school treatment anymore. We use that light transit and advanced. It's just a two-arm stage.
Essentially what that means for a customer is they have series of power on their boat, and it is our customers that take it off the market. So we absolutely 100% confident that the boats are built like the British Scouts really.
She's not running around, so she'll come back. Yeah, I want to be that day.
It's a 350.
Wow.
Are you?
Yeah, no, that always helps. Yeah, that always helps.
It's the same zoom range together.
Right. Obviously, I don't have internet.
You can do your
Download the winner. Before you go up 3-5 days, download it. You'll have it on.
and you got to work for it. You can see that.
Yeah, I was his first name, surname as well. What's your company name? Thank you. I appreciate it.
The chances are you would run your lights through to the night. You go to go in the morning and it's cracked.
I think we do need to do it. I honestly think it's a really good idea. Wait, it's...
How do we do that? Well, we have the technology that just sees that
just, or you can have it. Alright, I won't make you this way, so stay away from this one.
So without the motor, so just the boat, it'll be $4,500. And then if you wanted the motor and make it into a proper boat, it'll be up around
Denali, look. GMC, huh?
That looks.
We want to check the canister. And again, this is probably another bit of confusion amongst boaters. Now, if these canisters look like this one here, it's clean, it's tidy, it's got no rust or oxidization on it. This doesn't need to be replaced every service. However, with the canister, you do need to weigh them. On the side of your canister will be a gross weight of the canister. Now, it can't be
inside. We also have our cafes within the precinct inside. Enjoy your afternoon, everybody. A couple more hours to go. I'm seeing more than our 400 boats on display, plus over 130 exhibits. 13 of the world's first being displayed here also at the Sydney Boat Show. Up next is the pool, understand the cruise. We also